Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and as you can see behind me is a Cybertruck, and today I'm here in Westfield in London, White City. Cybertruck is touring UK and this is the last day of display in this place. I think they're going to go to King Cross tomorrow. They're going to stay there for a couple of days and then after that it's going to be touring all over UK. But Cybertrucker is behind me and today I'm here to do a walk around this thing because they're not allowing any sort of test drive. They don't allow anyone to sit inside as well, so the only thing you could do is just like look around the truck and have a look how it's like. To be honest, I'm really excited to see this thing. This thing is huge. This thing is a beast. The words don't describe how big this thing is. This thing is huge. This thing is amazing. It looks like an alien ship. Okay, so let's have a look around this thing. Starting from the lights, as you can see, it goes all the way. Big headlights. I think this is the daylight running. As you can see, this is a big LED light here. So the actual headlights are here. And talking about the tires, I think they are 65-inch size. But they have taken the wheel hubs off. This is the indicators here, or maybe a light, I don't know. But looking from the front side, look at this. I mean, this thing is huge. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's different, it's very unique. I've never seen anything like that. The front, there's a camera here as well, and I think these are the pull bars, and I think this is something to pull with. Headlights here, and this is the LED light, it's daytime running light, and it looks cool. Go around this side. This thing is huge. This is the side mirror and this is huge. You can take it off. They said that you can take it off if you want. There are cameras inside as well, but this thing is huge. And this is where you open the door from, and from the back door as well, for the back door as well. And as we're not allowed to sit inside, which is a shame, this is the best I can show you. You can see the screen and the steering is different from other Teslas. But yeah, look at this. And from the side, and as you know, this thing is bulletproof, so it's rock solid. Back window is tinted, so I can't see much. But yeah, this thing is wow. There's a camera here as well. Look how cool this thing is. Honestly, the words cannot describe how cool this thing is. This is, I'm saying it again and again. Honestly, you guys are gonna be annoyed, but I don't have any words. Like, I'm really excited to see this thing, and I want one. Honestly, I want one. Anyways, this is the back side of it, and this says Foundation here. So these are the first ones which came out of production. So this is probably the first version. It says Foundation series, and this is a trunk. Wow, massive. There's a camera here as well. From the back, it looks like there are some sharp edges here. This one. These are the buttons, you press them to open this thing, this lid down, and you can cover this place if you press these buttons, but they don't work. I think everything's locked here. I really wanted to sit inside and show you guys how it looks from inside, but there's a light there as well. And I think these are the brake lights or whatever the back lights are. This is plastic. Look at the size of these tires. Look at this size of these tires. This trim is plastic as well. And again from this side, can't see much because of the reflection. But yeah, that's the best I can show. This is the side mirror. Look at this. So from sideways, this looks so huge. Sorry. See this LED light at the front. It looks cool, really nice. Guys, from the front, this truck is a beast. And it's huge actually. It's quite big for the UK roads, to be honest, but I like it. And these are some specifications. Cybertruck. Also, there's a mini Cybertruck here for kids, and this one you can buy in UK. And I think this is for the kids. This is to go forward and backward, and the seat is quite soft, to be honest. This is plastic, the tires, but this is for the kids. That's robots. This looks like a human, to be honest. This is Tesla's humanoid robots, which probably in a few years' time will be serving us in our homes. Or I don't know. Maybe they're gonna take over the world. But look at this. Can I touch the hands? Wow. This is like RoboCop. This is like Terminator. But anyways, guys, this is Cybertruck for you. That's as much as I can see and as much as I could show you guys. And so anyways, guys, this is the end of the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.